Capture objective A.
It's Metro.
He's panicking. Oh no.
Healing, please. From behind, please.
Just a scratch, you'll be fine.
Dude, I had him so fucking low. And Mercy. He has Shatter. He has Shatter. He has Shatter.
You're covered.
Time to heal up. Move to the beat.
Whenever they throw Bob, nano me, okay? Whenever we throw Bob, nano me. Oh my god, I'm insane. Alright. He's sleeping, let him sleep. Get around.
Ash up top.
Ash above. Well, you're gonna watch your ass.
I wasn't cut out for retirement anyways.
got that ass for you.
Escort the
You have nano for me? Guys, we need a...
Nano boost is ready to deploy.
Give it to Soldier Brain.
Yeah, I got it for you.
Halo's in my possession and moving out.
Obrigado. Audio medic.
No shield, bro. No shield. Ash top left. I'm dead.
They're dumb, they shouldn't use their alt bear in this spawn.
I'm not ready to hang it up. That's you. You're going to live.
Thank you.
Where's he one?
I will keep you real.
Yes, pick up, yes.
Go. I'll keep you healed.
I will lead us to victory.
Alright, next up.
We
next
use
up,
a bomb and
nano
that's it.
visor. Nano visor.
Enemy contact.
I'll say when to use it.
Time to accelerate.
Alright, I'm up.
Get in there. I'm tired.
Mercy. Nice. Let's play the game.
Good shit, guys. You stop shatter.
He wanted to say it, but he was panicking. He was just like, I knew to hit him with it. Top. He was, he's like Buku and he can't have the brains to put it together.
Yeah, because it's like the moment, like
Yeah.
any more time they might see him and all sorts of shit happens.
Let's get you healed up.
Even just a fucking, yeah. That's perfect. Oh, Widow's up top.
Oh no, sleep guard back left.
Widow's up top trying to find him.
I got Widow.
Get back.
Zarya's low. Oh my god, that bubble's insane.
Above.
Just a scratch, you'll be fine.
Огонь по готовности.
Pull out. Just die.
We have
Just
5
die.
ults coming up.
Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Speed boost!
Oh
No!
shit, I tried to get out.
Yeah,
I did
so-
lose one time.
It's all good, I was watching.
I wasn't cut out for it. Why is the payload stopped?
We're gonna have a lot of them. Mine probably has shadow. Mine probably has shadow.
You're going to.
Oh my god. Just play the wall, cause if I die, oh fuck. It's gonna be a huge shatter. Oh, I died. I got fucking naded.
Oh, he's bubble bomb.
Mine's left, right side. I don't
We're gonna have 6 ults. I think what we should do is throw out Bob and then nano me, so there's 2 like high HP damage targets. So whenever on your Bob, just nano me on our Bob. I mean, walking up.
It's right.
Sorry, no bubbles now.
Wanna get that surfer?
I have it. You're pushed down. Get in there.
It's already nade him up there if you can. Holy fuck, all the trades right there. Holy shit. Oh, he got a better shatter. I didn't have shield. It was charging.
Oh,
Dude, that was kind of nasty. Holy fuck.
Yeah, there's a lot of trades.
They're probably gonna have multi-core.
Let's just try to go for a shield break and then
I think they used all
Soldier
their,
ult?
they nano run. Yeah, they just have one purple right there.
Zarya personal bubble. Zarya bubbles.
Mine's half, mine's half.
Just pop that. You go. Nano boost. I mean the thing. Okay.
Zarya's in a room by herself,
On his left side. On his back left. Oh my god. On a no nade back left.
Oh, we got an hand
30 seconds remaining.
You're going to.
touch. Soldier in on it.
Turret back right. Turret back right.
You're powered up. Get in there. That's what we do.
10 seconds.
I couldn't help it being in lava.
Fire.
It was close. It was actually really close.
Really close.
Fuck. I kind of messed up on that rollout. I can get it.
It's okay.
Sounds like he's a
Score.
crappy man.
2-0.
Sucks.
Switching sides.
Sounds like he's talking from the
Brandon
90s.
should be able to hold
Yeah.
that.
Yeah,
like
he's
a-
actually the
like
first
he's a telemarketer.
Select your hero.
Yeah. Are you actually the Fresh Prince?
Yeah, of course.
Of course.
Never stop fighting for what you believe in.
They all thought you were dead.
Well, I had to come back. I was worried you'd get bored, not being able to stick your nose in my business.
We shall prove ourselves in glorious combat.
It is not the triumph.
Come out and face me. Oh yeah!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
We strike as one.
Don't worry, my friend. I'll have your shit.
I don't have shield. I don't have shield. back around the corner. Get the corner. Get this corner. Counter charge right side. They're on a use nade. They're on a use nade. I need help. I'm purple. Purple.
Watching your back.
I have no shield. I have no shield. I have no shield.
We're good. Yeah, we're fine.
Holy shit! I was tanking right there. I was down to nothing, bro.
This will only hurt for a bit. Take your medicine. Name.
I don't want.
I have your back.
He has shatter. I have shatter. I got them in the back. He has shatter. I'm trying to let my. Just one. Zarya left side. Zarya left side. Zarya. Zarya left side. Nice.
Ash, I'm gonna attack you.
Enemy contact.
Go.
Go. I'll keep you here.
Dude, that honest left me right as I dropped feet. That's so fucking gay. Dude, I actually like want to cry. That's like the one thing. That's all I do is drop feet.
I know what
The
you
one
mean,
thing I
dude.
provide to you.
It's like, it wasn't that she killed you, but it's like, you get to live through it. Experience it. There's Zarya doesn't have friendly bubble. I'm sorry, I fucked up. I'm holding right side, I'm gonna hold right side.
Right one.
Oh. Welcome back.
We should be good.
I'm gonna go assert my dominance on this frog. Get ready.
Robot with me.
60 seconds remaining.
Hello.
Welcome back.
Watching your back.
What the fuck? Did you see the TNT?
Feeling sleepy. This is going to hurt. You're powered up. Get in there. 30 seconds. We'll be home to wait.
Fucking Ryan.
Hey, Ryan, you're by yourself. Try to get back.
This is much better than a command on
You're
the
fine.
beach.
Objective lost.
Yeah, I got you to attack. You need to attack. Hey guys, get back. You're down to right now.
Come out and face me.
Ash up top somewhere.
Here, I'm gonna go high ground.
She's not up top, she's right on the ground, front.
Get back in the fight.
Ash half. Oh, what the fuck, actually.
You've got to be okay. Take your medicine.
Oh no. Torp, on right side. Alone. Oh my god, I fucked up. I'm backing up. I'm scared. Nice beat. He killed Shatter.
Another fucking
Counter.
Go. Losing that.
Trying.
Trying that.
Lucio. Nice. Sorry in front.
Oh, baby.
Dude, it's like a fucking
I would die.
magic
Bob.
game. All this shit on the stack. No, it's okay. It's okay. You can get back quick. Back up. Let's play really safe here. Back. Almost like let them move it underneath the bridge or something. I think, because they're gonna have Torbolt.
30 seconds remaining.
I think they're gonna have Torbolt. Yeah. And he has Shatter. We need Lucio here whenever we can. Yeah, see, there's Torbolt. Let's back up. Fuck that shit. Just don't even get it close. There, that's Shatter too. I have no shield right now though. I have no shield. They use B. I'm gonna Shatter here. It's gonna be huge. Give me a life. It's huge.
It is.
Oh no!
Turret. Okay. Nice. Stabilize. Torp. GG.
We are huge.
Victory.
Dude, that was a fatty shatty.
Thanks.
GG guys. Oh my god.
Play of the
He was
game.
just playing like two. Like Ryan just wasn't playing Ryan
Let's see that,
today.
see that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that
Triple, quadruple, win.
Oh.
Cheesing a little bit. Alright, GG's. Good luck.
GG. Good luck.
Yeah, you too. See ya.
That's the current best on this map.
Nice.
Jesus. Jesus H. Christ.
Alright, Ryan win rate going up. Good. It was at 19 this morning, now it's at 40? 40? Nice.
Oh, Dabber?
Sure. I'm good. Whenever you're ready.
Yeah, I'm gonna dab.
Alright.
Yeah, at the end when you're like, it's gonna be huge. I was all on you.
Yeah, I don't know. I wouldn't have said that if you weren't, because I was watching HP. I'm getting kind of good at hearing.
Because I nanoed the Zarya, so she lived, but
Yeah,
you barely died. You probably would live. I got you. I just figured her damage probably is.
yeah, for sure.
low more.
It's like, honestly, dude, it's like that. I think all the way down to the smallest or the lowest HP DPS player. You know.
Yeah.
Like, if you had to choose between if your DPS and your tank were both at 10 HP, I don't know. I think sometimes it's more worth if the DPS has good position, like it's worth hitting the DPS to maybe like
So stuff keeps dying.
yeah. Because then you still have the other tank and the other DPS, but like, so if you lose the tank, I think it's okay. Like, I think it's more okay than losing the DPS.
You just what is it? Delaying the inevitable, basically, right? If your DPS ain't hitting shit and you're you're just keeping tanks alive and they get out of position, they die. Yeah.
Because if the tank lives with his shield somehow, then after your DPS is full health, yeah, like you're going back to healing the tank and you're gonna get some ultimate charge and. Cause like, yeah, I think the DPS are gonna get like, there's
Got,
potential, you know.
Their Ash got 2 bobs in like a minute. It was crazy.
Yeah. It's crazy. It's like almost like I can't. There's like one hero I can't ever like just pay attention to. Honestly, I couldn't even tell there was an Ashe like on their team until their bobs would come out. Like I didn't know where she was. Like
Yeah.
I know she's range, you know what I mean? But like, goddamn, like couldn't even. I didn't have any like headspace for her.
Yeah, because you don't have those tracers like fucking Widow does, you know? You don't get those, like, the lines across your fucking screen. You just die. Yeah, she's a fucking really good hero. For sure.
Hmm.
A good Ashe or a Widow can really neutralize my game plan. I pretty much have to sacrifice my view of the enemy for just y'all, you know, like get in a room and bunker like a fucking sniper at my own team.
Traveling to Eichenwald.
Never stop fighting for what you believe
Young
in.
Laredo.
Young Laredo.
Why you have grown, Laredo? Yeah, like no, it's funny.
Now, hold on.
Damn it, I'm doing it. I'm repeating the damn computer.
Listen to me, doesn't mean.
Welcome to
Oasis.
Oasis. Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
Diva's fucking really good too. You can notice the buff. Like her boosters and everything.
Never
Yeah.
stop fighting for what you believe in.
Can science alone unlock the path to enlightenment?
Reinhardt, I must say you're looking quite well. The slide must agree with you.
And you are looking as lovely as ever.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 1. Capture the objective.